So I'm here to discuss the overview of our project, which is a cell phone detector. So mobile phones are a great tool developed in the field of information technology. It has fast access to information along with the ability to communicate globally. Cell phone technology have features like Bluetooth, USB, high resolution camera, microphones, internet, 4G, GSM, etc. But in some areas like classrooms, it is noticeable that it is somehow being a distraction. For example, the students tend to use their phones um, either in gaming or entertainment instead of focusing on the discussion. So as a result, it is necessary to implement strict measures and to follow the rules regarding in the usage of mobile phones in such areas. So in this project, a system is proposed which can be used to detect mobile phone usage in mobile restricted area, which is specifically in examination rooms. So to highlight one of the very common instances of these cell phones being a distraction is the use of it as a way of the students to cheat during examinations. Because it is restricted, the examiners have to implement the rule of putting the bags in front and collecting the cell phones of each student in order to make sure they won't be able to use it during examination. Or if it's really necessary, they personally go to the students to check their pockets or desk for any cell phones. So as to propose a technical solution to this project, to this problem rather, we created a cell phone detector so the examiner will know if a cell phone is active and can take action immediately. So the Intelligent Mobile Phone Detection Project is an advanced device which finds various applications in the modern fields of communication and surveillances. It is very useful in examinations where the uses of an active mobile communication devices are prohibited. So, our objectives are as follows. It is to create a mobile phone detector that can sense if there is a presence of activated mobile phone from a distance. So our objectives are as follows: to create a mobile phone detector that can sense if there is a presence of an activated mobile phone from a distance. Also, to create a circuit that can detect incoming and outgoing calls, SMS, internet, and video transmission, even if the mobile phone is kept in silent mode. So the significance of this project is to avoid fault or any type of cheating in examination rooms. So our system can detect radio frequency transmission signal from a cell phone, then produces a beep sound alarm and triggers the blinking of LED. So it is an indicator that there's someone using their phone while the exam is ongoing.
Hello, I'm John Palafusin, and I will be discussing a brief summary of review of related literature of the cell phone detector project. Mobile phones generate high-frequency RF waves during text, calls, and even when using mobile data. These RF waves carry huge amounts of electromagnetic energy, which is also the reason to why phones heat up faster when using mobile data or during long calls and texts. Go. Throughout the years, there are people who applied RF waves generated by phones to their systems. An example of this is the hidden active cell phone detector in 2017 developed by Rakumar Mistry and his group. They proposed a pocket-sized mobile transmission sniffer that can detect RF waves from incoming and outgoing calls, SMS, and video calls of an active mobile phone. The moment the bug detects an RF signal, it will activate a piezo buzzer and RF and LED as an alarm. This device is to detect the usage of phones during exams, meetings, and other important activities. There is also another paper published in 2015 by Tan V. Deshpande and Nakhil Jadhav, also about cell phone detection. But this time they used an 80 Mega 8 microcontroller instead of an op-amp as RF detector and LED screen for display. The purpose of this device is to maintain information security in restricted areas and prevent the breach of sensitive data. That is all for the review of related literature. Thank you for listening.
Methodology. In this flowchart, the signal detector detects a mobile phone which is functioning, which means that when a mobile phone is on state and has a network signal, the detector activates in a radius distance. The LED flashes and the buzzer creates the beep sound to know that the mobile phone is around the area of coverage.
Ibigyan ko na.
Ito ba number mo?
Ba't tumutunog ka agad?
Wala pa?
Ayun. Ano ba to? Langgam. Sumo.
Ayun po yung number ni Ma'am Pam.
Parang hihina ng buzzer natin.
In conclusion to this project, which we called a cell phone detector, we can now prevent cheating cases during quizzes and exams wherein the use of mobile phones is not permitted. The students could not use it as a medium to send their answers to each other or to search the answers on the internet. This device detects frequencies or signals being transmitted within the area of this device. The system has no way of discriminating between two phones within the same frequency range. Therefore, it is expected that the future searches will look into this area.